Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to check your result from Allama Iqbal Open University, whether you're in Matric or FA. First, open your internet browser on your mobile or computer. Now go to Google and type AIOU results CMS Portal. You'll see a website called cms.iou.edu.pk. Click on that link. The login page will appear. In the user ID field, enter your roll number. And in the password field, also enter your roll number. Then click the sign in button. Look at the left side of the screen, find the option that says academic records or results. Click on it. And now you will see the detailed marks of all your subjects. Your full result is right there. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they can check their results too. Thanks for watching.